Hey folks, Ben from Snowy's here today with a unique tent from Coleman, the Elite Weathermaster screened 8-person tent. It's got some pretty cool features. The first one I'll show you on the outside here is a hinged door. So as the kids run in and out, it's going to close all by itself, keep the insects out. At night you can still zip it up, but during the day you can just sit like this and the kids aren't going to leave the door open. I'll step inside, show you what's in there. So as you come in, the first thing you notice is there's 3 rooms. These walls are removable, so you can have 2 sleeping areas and a living area, a sleeping area and a large living area, however you want to set it up. There's tons of ventilation in the tent. Mesh through the roof here. That room that you're in at the moment, that's all mesh at the front. You've got windows each side, vents at the back, and mesh at the top here as well. Really livable, good, all-season family tent. Now the cool features about this tent I'm going to show you first is the integrated power. Down here, just next to the door that I walked through, there's a switch. We flick one of them, it turns a light on at the top here. We flick the other one, the fan starts spinning, circulate the air. That's powered by a power pack that sits on the floor down the other side here, and the wires are integrated into the tent here. Now the other cool feature about this tent is the self-rolling windows. I'll show you on this window over here. With this done up, there are internal privacy screens. As we unzip this, it automatically rolls up. No messing around with tabs and tags here to stop this flap from hanging around in your way. Zip it up again, it just rolls up as you zip it. This self-rolling feature features on this window, a window in the door that I just walked through, with 2 vents at the back there, all self-rolling features. Really cool, roomy, affordable tents at the moment. There's limited stock. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you like the look of this one, get in quickly. They're available from our website, free delivery, Australia-wide. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.